Samsung Galaxy Tab S2 8-inch screen replacement guide. Warning: you are performing this repair at your own risk. We claim no responsibility for any damages that might occur. To perform this DIY repair, you will need suction cup, nylon spudger, SIM card ejection tool, fine tip curved tweezers, precision knife set, premium 2mm red adhesive roll, multi-purpose heat gun, playing cards. Power down your Samsung Galaxy Tab S2 tablet. Eject the microSD card tray. Begin to free the 8-inch Tab S2 display assembly by using the heat gun to warm up the adhesive. With a suction cup and precision knife, carefully create separation and insert a playing card to start slicing through the adhesive. Take your time and apply additional heat as needed. Patiently work around the Tab S2 display assembly with playing cards to free it from the tablet. The Galaxy Tab S2 screen is still connected to the motherboard. Do not try to remove it completely, or you will damage the data cable connecting the display to the tablet. Remove the display cable bracket. Use the spudger to disconnect the display cable and remove the Samsung Galaxy Tab S2 8-inch display assembly. All of the replacement parts and repair tools used in this video are available at www.DIYMobileRepair.com. Make sure to take a look at our other DIY smartphone and tablet repair tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter.